Good day, ma'am. This is my report of using um, BBA macros presentation. Ang title po ng presentation na to ay Project Nexus by Nexus Group, which is kami. And members of Nexus Group is Jefferson Mirabeles, James Roman, Carlo G. Romeo, and especially Mark Gabriel L. Ravara, which is me. Introduction ng PPT namin is learn how to create a data entry form in Excel using BBA. Understanding how to automate the process of collecting data and storing and a worksheet provide an easy to use interface for data input. Tapos pangatlong slide is ito yung namin logo ng project namin. Project overview using data entry form. What is the data entry form? A custom user form in Excel using built using BBA designed to input data directly into Excel worksheet. Number 2, typically used for collecting data such as customer information, inventory, or student records. Components of the form: text box for entering data, name, address, age, etc. Tapos label to describe each field. Component of form: text box for entering data, address, name, etc. Ayun. Tapos buttons for submitting, clearing, and close the form. Combo box or option button for selecting provided option, etc. Gender, male and female. Ito naman yung goal of the form student. Number 1, data collection automation. Create a user-friendly interface, etc. A form. Entering student details like name, age, contact information, etc. Minimize manual data entry errors by using up and downs. Validation, check for pre-filled. So mamaya bali ipapakita ko din yung video kung paano gumagana yung namin BBA application namin na ginawa. Number 2, data validation. Implement input validation to ensure accuracy and completeness. Number 3, data storage. Save, enter data, and to structure database. Student form features. Number 1, input field. You will be able to capture the student information. Number 1, address, gender, first name and last name. Number 2, sa student form features. Number 2, navigation controls buttons. Nandito yung submit, save, enter data to a database or Excel sheet. Exit, close, exit the form. Clear clear and reset all field to the blank. Bali, hindi ko pala siya nalagyan ng number 3. Ito number 4 na tayo, proceed. User feedback, confirmation message, etc. Data saved successfully, error message for input, ganun. Ayan. So, ganito gumagana yung ano namin. Yan, sa picture na yan. May papakita ko din kung paano siya gumagana. Ito, algorithm of Nexus student form. Implementation flow. Open the form. User enter data in the form fields. Click save button. Validation check. If validate fails or show an error. Message and hub if validation succeed. Continue storage and save data to database or Excel worksheet. Display successful message. Clear for the next entry. That's all. Thank you.